Solana. What's going on with Solana today? We've got some pretty awesome news that I want to just get right into, to be honest with you, because Solana NFT marketplace, Magic Eden, raises $130 million, plans multi-chain expansion. So this is massive news. OpenSea, you should be tremoring in fear right now because Solana is coming for you. The top NFT platform on Solana is a newly minted crypto unicorn with a $1.6 billion valuation, and it's going to add other blockchains too. So this is pretty huge news, as you can already imagine, with the NFT space being so huge. Magic Eden, the leading Solana-based NFT marketplace, has raised $130 million at a $1.6 billion valuation. The marketplace plans to expand beyond Solana to include other platforms as well. Magic Eden, an NFT marketplace that currently commands the vast majority of the Solana market, is gearing up for expansion. As we see today, the startup announced that it's raised just a very modest $130 million in Series B funding, with plans to expand beyond the Solana ecosystem. Very, very exciting. I'm sure many Solana holders are very excited at the moment too. And it's probably why we've seen such momentum over the last 7 days for this infallible project. So the Solana ecosystem has shown notable signs of momentum in recent weeks, such as multiple instances of a Solana NFT project topping all Ethereum projects in terms of the daily trading volume, and even a single day in which all combined Solana NFT trading volume topped that of Ethereum. So this is extremely good. Lou pointed to diversifying use cases for NFTs on Solana, plus a rising influx of Ethereum NFT traders started to dabble in the Solana space. So you're seeing some conversions from different networks. Perhaps they're more attracted to the speed of the network, or the cost efficiency, or the more negative carbon footprint that Solana has to offer. Magic Eden claims a roughly 90% or greater share of the Solana NFT secondary market, despite the hype leading overall NFT marketplace OpenSea's addition of Solana support in April doesn't appear to have much of an impact, really. So if anything, Magic Eden's co-founders think it was a positive for the platform. Super good. Therefore, the conclusion is, with Magic Eden eyeing expansion to other blockchain platforms, the co-founders believe that the marketplace has a real shot at dethroning the more centralized and corporate spaces, such as OpenSea. So very exciting to see what could have effectively happened here. Quick look at Solana today. We're not going to make it too much of a price analysis video, but I do just want to look at the price structure and what's going on at the moment on the daily time frame. You can see we are breaking out from these key levels of support, and why, in my opinion, this is such an important level. We don't want to see any more continuation to the downside is because if you look over here, you can see back from basically May 2021, this was such a vital consolidation range before the parabolic rally, and we're back in that range. We're just chilling here. We're breaking through the 20-day moving average, which does look good, to be honest, because it does show that we're getting bullish momentum for our time frame at the moment. We have been trading in this almost falling wedge or descending channel, and actually what's very interesting is we finally put through that higher high here, and we're getting that retest on the support right now. So the resistance has been flipped into a support level, and I think that's quite important to look at. So we're getting that bounce. If we can see continuation to the upside, I do anticipate that we'll at least retest the resistance that we've got right here from this swing high. I'm just going to remove this line. Don't know why that went there. From this swing high right over here, and then we've got a next resistance over here for Solana. So if Solana can get breakout, basically what I'm looking for is a pump to about $41.80 in the short term, and if we break through the next resistance, looking at $44.8 Solana. Of course, we're looking good on the RSI. We're not overheated. Bollinger Bands right now, we're sitting at the bottom here. And I think this price structure looks very good. Hopefully we're not going to lose formation. We are perhaps putting through a head and shoulders pattern over here, but I'm not really too worried, to be honest. I think Solana's got some huge things coming its way, and I'm very excited for the future of this project. It may even bounce to $41. Of course, bearish scenario, we lose support on this $33 area where we had the wick, and if that does happen, we will come back into this trading range between $33 and $19. We can't pinpoint exactly where, but we would see more continuation to the downside. Bit of Bitcoin news today as well before we head in. global adoption news. Colombian president supports Bitcoin. Yes. Well done, bro. It removes power from the banks, he said. So he's a bit of a societal recalcitrant, isn't he? Bit of an anarchist, which is kind of interesting, considering the president surely has a big influence over the behavior of banks. I don't know. Maybe he does. Maybe he doesn't. What else have we got? Document Bitcoin. This is interesting. So 2011, 2015, 2017, 2022, Bitcoin fell below $2,200, $2,000 and $20,000. So what's important is, well, there was a comment somewhere. It's vanished now. But anyway, what you could speculate is 2028, Bitcoin fell below $200,000. That's the idea here. And it's probably quite true. Negativity, like the CEO of Binance, every time Bitcoin is dead, he even said that if you were to buy Bitcoin when the news and the narrative said Bitcoin is dead, Bitcoin is a scam, Ponzi scheme, you'd have done pretty well. So this is what they want to do. They want to brainwash retailers into believing now is a bad time, when effectively now is actually a fantastic time to be accumulating more cryptocurrency. What else have we got? CEO of Binance once again, looking retrospectively from 1 to 9 years ago, we can see the price here of Bitcoin and how 1 year ago we're at 31.6k. Still, we're sitting at 21.1k during basically the formation and the inception of a bear market. So once again, things are not looking great, and we probably are going to get sideways trading for a good 6 to 18 months. Nevertheless, this does present opportunity for us, guys. Look at crypto today. We've got all these sectors, all these projects to dabble in. We've got DeFi, financial services, blockchain services. We've got blockchain infrastructure. It is limitless. The opportunity, if you research, you can prosper and generate huge wealth. We've also got the Bitcoin rainbow chart screaming at us right now that basically crypto is in a fire sale. This only happened before with the COVID-19 crypto crash and also following the 2018 bear market and bull market. So again, do your own research. Look what happens. If you bought here, you'd be in profit. If you bought here, again, you're in profit. So always stay pragmatic. Keep your eyes open. What's going on in the market? These things move quickly. If you're new here, do smash that subscribe button. Hit the like, comment down below. Appreciate the viewing, guys. Really much love. Stay crypto safe. See you soon.